Okay, this is the Dinamica Plus. Just a short little video to show you what it sounds like when you turn it on and when it makes like a cappuccino or a milk drink. A couple things to note right away. What I found is if you do not keep this little bit here, which is the where the milk frother goes into attachment, which is here, if you don't lubricate these very well, and I normally just put water straight on it from when it warms up, just lubricate a little bit. It can be really hard to push in and out. Don't put oil or anything like that or any kind of grease. Just put some water in there, put some water in here, just a little bit, just blow with your finger and you'll see what it'll do. And let's go from there. So you'll power it on. It takes about 45 seconds to be fully ready. It'll go through a cleaning system, and please wait. And it always does this. It'll always rinse itself out before when you first power it on, or it's been powered off and powered on again. Okay, and it's ready to go. And like I said, what I normally do is just take a little bit of there, just to lubricate that, get a little bit wet. Because if it's really hard to get it on, do you need to do this? No, but I just find it easier. And I'll dump that in a second. And then from there, just kind of push it in. And you'll hear a little beep when you're done. And I'm going to make a cappuccino. What I do like about it is you can go up and down, address it, and we'll just go cappuccino. It'll tell you to put the milk frother to 3. Mine's between 2 and 3 typically. I don't like that much of a froth, but it's pretty close on. Grinder can be a little bit loud, but I also have it in the corner, so it kind of reverberates a little bit, but it isn't that loud. People don't hear it in the bedrooms when I make coffee in the morning, or if I have to travel, something like that really early. So it's quite a quiet machine overall. So at that rate, you had a quick little thing. If you want an extra little shot, you could do that right away. Typically, because my glass size is on the large side, because I typically would have 2 drinks at the same time, I would just go escape and run through the thing again, and just go, just start. So that's just a typical milk coffee, and it's pretty simple. When you're all done, you'll just go through the cleaning function here. You'll change it to clean, put a little cup underneath there, and it'll just clean the milk frother out itself. And then taking it back out, what I typically do is I have a little towel ready to go to catch up any drips. And you basically are going to pull it from here. What I typically do is I start pulling it right from here. I don't pull it from here. It seems to be ungainly. And go from there. So thank you very much.
noise, it said the noise would go down. The noise will stop after 5 or 6 cups.
Yeah. That's really strong enough. I did it right like that job. Espressos are very small, so you're going to espresso, a large one would even do.
Okay, do another one.
Right, we need to set up your thingy.
My preference.
Right. Right.
Oh, you're joking? Oh, look how dark that is.
See, the first one wasn't strong enough.
That's me now, that'll do it.
Yeah, I should think so too.
I need chocolate powder.